Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Versa spark plugs. We'll walk through the entire process, from gathering your tools to installing the new plugs. This task is manageable for most dye-ers and can significantly improve your car's engine performance and fuel economy. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle this maintenance job yourself, ensuring your Versa runs smoothly and efficiently for many miles to come. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right equipment and prioritize safety. You'll need a 10mm socket, a spark plug socket, and a ratchet. A torque wrench is crucial for proper installation, preventing over-tightening. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal to avoid electrical hazards. Remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire procedure to keep yourself safe. Now let's get to removing those old spark plugs. First, locate the ignition coils on top of your engine. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil. Next, use your 10mm socket to remove the bolts securing each ignition coil. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull each coil straight up and out. Then, use your spark plug socket to loosen and remove the old spark plugs. With the old plugs out, it's time to install the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug, though some manufacturers advise against it. Carefully hand-tighten each plug into its port to prevent cross-threading. Then, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically 14 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the ignition coils, secure them with their 10mm bolts, and reconnect the electrical connectors. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.